Hi everyone, welcome back to Engineers Tech channel. So guys, in this video, I will discuss what the skill set is required for QA as per the current market. So guys, so first of all, if you are not upgrading your skills, like if you are a manual tester or you already worked in Selenium, even you already know the rest assured. But now these days, what happened if you will not mention Playwright skills, you won't be get the interview calls. Second thing, you have to not only mention the knowledge, you have to show the experience in Playwright. If you will only mention, you have a knowledge in Playwright, your profile will be not selected. Okay, so you must be mentioned as a experienced folks in Playwright. Then the question is how I can show the Playwright experience, right? So I've seen the many of them are learning the Playwright. The problem is just they are executing the script. Understood, right? They are learning only basics, and they say I have a knowledge in the Playwright or I have experience in the Playwright. Okay, but if you don't have a framework development experience, right, then interviewer will catch you. You did not work in the real time, right? So learning from YouTube and Udemy, that is fine, but you should have a proper mentorship. So how you can convert your experience, means your knowledge, in your as a experienced candidate, right? So we are also providing the Playwright live training end to end, where I will teach you basics, JavaScript, TypeScript, Playwright basics, advanced. After learning this all the concept, we will design the framework from the scratch. Using the same framework, you can automate many test cases. Suppose you are working in any organization as a manual tester, implement those framework, you can start to automate manual test cases. If you automate 20 or 25 test cases, right, you can make a habit to automate 1 and 2 tests per day. Even you are not getting the task in automation testing, right? You can automate, you can practice yourself. If you will work 2 months, 3 months, spending 1 hours, definitely you will get the confidence. And nicely you can show your experience, 2 to 3 years over there. Understood, right? So this is the thing you have to do, guys. And many of them I have seen the many ads. If you don't know the AI, you will not get the interview calls. You can't survive in the industry, guys. First of all, AI will also generate the code, right? The generated code, right? If you're not able to understand how to use this, you should know AI how to use the AI. Okay, the simple question: if AI will do everything, then there is no need human resources, right? Human resources are required. The future is AI with human mind, AI with human mind. Now you are learning all the basics, framework development. Then one test we can write yourself. One test you can write using the GitHub Copilot AI agent. So you are doing the practice both, right? In interview, right? They will ask you open the notepad and write the code yourself. Even the first round, the second, even third round, the interview, they're not asking at all AI part. Okay, you mention in the interview well and good. They will ask you the cross question. Yeah, I know how to integrate GitHub Copilot, how to use MCP server. Playwright already given the guys agent. No need to create your own agent. Apart from that, many works are there that you can create your own AI agent. That is a different task. You can explore it later. But if you are not good in the programming, right, you will not select in the interview. Forget about your project work. So daily practice you have to do for programming. Daily practice you have to automate one test per day. Then only you will get the confidence. After that, we will update your profile on Naukri and LinkedIn. This is also, the people are doing a lot of mistake. They're not highlighting their skill set. A skill set means they are not highlighting what you have practice. Understood, right? So you need a mentorship also. Okay, so mentorship will help you to save the time and what the mistake you are doing. In our live session, we will help you for the placement also, and many people got placed. If you guys interested to join our Playwright live session, you can join our demo session, and I help many working professional manual tester who got placed in top level of the MNC company. Okay, so what I explain in this video, if you are only watching this video, that will not work. You have to take the action, right? Many content are there in Udemy recording video, but you need a mentorship, right? You need a live mock interview. Then in real time interview, you guys are able to crack and you can save your time. Okay, so that's all in this video, guys. If you are new in the channel, subscribe my channel and press bell icon. If you like this video, I will block my time to upload these type of the mentorship or QA guide as per the current market what you have to learn.